Welcome back to Factimo, where we decode the latest trends in digital marketing for you. In our fast-paced digital world, it's essential to be at the forefront of innovation. And today, we're exploring a tool that's revolutionizing the way businesses connect with their customers. WhatsApp marketing. With over 2 billion users worldwide, WhatsApp is no longer just a platform for catching up with friends. It's a thriving marketplace where businesses are carving out their niche. This messaging app is a goldmine for marketers, providing an opportunity to tap into a global customer base, enhance engagement, and drive sales. Over the course of this video, we'll demystify WhatsApp marketing, exploring its two facets, the WhatsApp Messenger and the WhatsApp Business app. We'll delve into the strategies that can help you leverage this platform effectively, as well as the challenges you need to navigate. Let's start by understanding the two facets of WhatsApp, the WhatsApp Messenger and the WhatsApp Business app. WhatsApp Business was launched to help small and medium-sized businesses to communicate more efficiently with their customers. This dedicated platform enables businesses to create a professional presence, offering features designed to streamline customer interaction. With the app, businesses can set up a catalog to showcase their products or services, making it easier for customers to browse and make purchases. The app also offers a range of messaging tools to enhance customer service. Automated greetings welcome customers when they reach out, while quick replies allow businesses to respond swiftly to common inquiries. Moreover, businesses can organize their contacts with labels, making it easier to manage customer relationships. Businesses can also view messaging statistics to gain insights into customer engagement, helping them to refine their communication strategy. But harnessing the power of WhatsApp for marketing requires more than just the right tools. It demands a strategic approach. Effective WhatsApp marketing is built on three pillars: personalization, responsiveness, and creativity. Each pillar plays a pivotal role in shaping a successful marketing strategy, and it's the careful balance of these elements that can make or break your WhatsApp marketing game. Let's start with personalization. In this era of information overload, personalized messaging serves as a beacon of relevance. It's about delivering the right message to the right person at the right time. A study by Segment revealed that 71% of consumers feel frustrated when their shopping experience is impersonal. Imagine the impact of a personalized WhatsApp message that addresses a customer by their name and caters specifically to their interests. It's like having a one-on-one conversation, and that's powerful. Next, we come to responsiveness. WhatsApp's instant messaging feature takes customer engagement to a whole new level. Businesses can respond to customer queries in real time, resolving issues promptly and efficiently. It's not just about providing a quick fix, it's about fostering a relationship based on trust and reliability. Remember, a satisfied customer is your best brand ambassador. Lastly, let's talk about creativity. WhatsApp is not just a platform for text messages, it's a canvas for your creative marketing campaigns. Engaging storytelling, interactive polls, compelling visuals. The possibilities are endless. WhatsApp allows you to go beyond traditional marketing methods and create an immersive experience for your customers. However, as you embark on your WhatsApp marketing journey, it's crucial to navigate the challenges. Maintaining privacy, complying with WhatsApp's policy, and avoiding spammy practices are some of the hurdles you may face. It's about striking a balance between being persuasive and respectful. You don't want to invade your customers' privacy, you want to engage them. So, there you have it. The three pillars of effective WhatsApp marketing: personalization, responsiveness, and creativity. Apply these strategies, be mindful of the challenges, and you're well on your way to leveraging the power of WhatsApp for your business. To dive deeper into each of these strategies and explore advanced tactics like WhatsApp API for larger businesses, segmentation, and automation, head over to our website for our comprehensive guide. In this video, we've unpacked the power of WhatsApp as a marketing tool, highlighting its potential to transform customer engagement and drive sales. From understanding the WhatsApp Business app to exploring the three pillars of effective WhatsApp marketing: personalization, responsiveness, and creativity, we've covered the fundamentals. However, it's crucial to remember that successful marketing on WhatsApp is as much about respecting the rules and boundaries as it is about being persuasive. Striking that balance is key. Our comprehensive guide on our website offers a more detailed exploration of these strategies, along with advanced tactics tailored for larger businesses. We encourage you to check it out and stay ahead in the game. That's it for today's deep dive into WhatsApp marketing. Remember, in the digital age, staying informed is key to staying ahead.